So I started off by finding a section in Love in the Sky so that I can sample it. So this is what I'm doing right now. So I narrowed down to this sample and I pitched it 3 semitones down. So after I was done with this sample, I hunted for another sample in the same song. So I reversed it. So I was just searching for a sample and I found the starting part to be good. So I just cut it down and deleted the rest of the song. So after I was done with this song, I first pitched up Earned It so that it matches the key of the previous track, and then I started searching for a sample in Earned It as well. I see nobody but you. So I narrowed down to this sample. So then I had 3 samples from these 2 songs that I planned on using to make this track. Then I was messing with this sample to see what I can do, so I decided to bounce it as a wave file. Then I started messing with the sample once again. I first reversed it. I tried many things with this sample, but nothing was actually sounding decent enough to be used. So I planned on going with the exact same sample, just pitched up an octave. So now what I did was I was trying to fit it in the beat. So I changed the tempo here and now I was trying to fit it in the beat, and I found this part to be good, but as I stretched it, it slowed down the entire section. So what I did here is I chopped the sample and I made the second half of it unique, so that I can stretch only this part and the first part would not be affected. And that's how it would last an entire bar. So then I planned on adding a sidechain effect to this sample so that it gives us a little more movement. So yeah, that is all with this sample, and now I just used another section of the same sample and I pitched it down. So it sounded something like that. This is something I used it as an ear candy. So after all that was done, this is how the entire track looks, and I'm going to show you each and every section individually, that what I did and how I did it, what elements I used in the track. So this is the main sample, you can say. These are the effects that I have used: EQ, half speed gross beat, and some reverb. I've put it on every offbeat. And I have added a tape stop effect in this sample as well to make it more interesting. And I have also pitched it down so that it plays different notes as it goes. So now let me show you all the elements that I have used. So this is a pad. I haven't gone much crazy with the pad. It's just one note to give it a little ambience. And I have also added a little sidechain effect. So these are the bells that I've used in the song. I've applied an EQ and a sound anodizer to the bell. So these are the piano chords that I've used. So this is the bass. And this is the preset that I've used. All I did was just increase the attack so that it takes a little more time to come in. And these are the effects that I've used: just an EQ, camel crusher, some compression. Now this is the kick. These are some hi-hats that I've used. Now this hi-hat is layered with the kick, so every time the kick hits, these hi-hats also plays. These are some basic hi-hats to give it a little groove. Now this is a snare. Some percussions. Alright, now let me show you the drum patterns all together. So yeah, that is all that I did with the video, and if you like the video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Please help me reach 50 subscribers, and you can also share the video with your fellow producer friends, and comment down below if you want to see a video on how I mixed and mastered this track. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.